the most common issue with the Honda Africa Twin Adventure Sports is leaky fork seals. Look at it. It has been an absolute pain in the butt, and this is why I haven't been riding for the last month. It's just dribbled all the way out. And Honda, you should see the email I got from Honda that basically said, suck it up, princess. So next week we're out to Motorcycle Beers. We'll go and see Clive. And we're going to refit the full suspension front and rear. Oh, damn, I miss riding. Especially on days like today. Look at that.